Hello, students and parents and anyone else that is watching this video that is interested in integrated math 1 for our 2021-22, that actually sounds 2021 to 2022 school year. My name is Mrs. Aidt. This is my 16th year at the high school. I'm super excited to be back, and I think the kids are too. And I have two kids. They're both graduated from Benicia High. And again, I'm just really excited to be back to school. I'm going to take you guys to our classes, Google Classroom. There's a few things on there that are very important. So we're going to go there first. And here it is. So this first post on Google Classroom basically contains everything that you would need to start our class. And this first box here is a link to our ebook. So this is the book we use, the CPM book. And here's the pin to enroll. And then the second link over here is for KudoWorks. This is a software that we use to assign practice problems. And here's the course key to sign up with that. I think almost all of the students have already done this. And then here is our syllabus, which I'm going to go over in a moment. But I did want to show you one more thing on Google Classroom. There are some class recordings below this in case any students are absent or miss something during class and they would like to go back and get that information. Okay, so let's go to the syllabus. Okay. So there's my contact information. And in the required materials, what I want to really stress is that students have graph paper. We're graphing a lot. We want those to be accurate. So if it's a graph paper notebook, graph paper composition book, or even just loose graph paper is totally great. In this class, we use a scientific calculator. That is the like $10 to $15 variety, not necessarily the $100 variety. My favorite scientific calculator is this one. I'll put here. It is the TI-30X2S. And this is the same calculator that the middle school uses. So most students already have that one. I want to note that our tests are going to be mostly on paper this year. I know the kids are used to doing tests on computers, but I think we will be making tests on paper for kids, and we want to really get them back to doing math on paper, not on the computer, or at least I do. Sometimes the computer's great, but want to still bring math back into paper after COVID here. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about is assignments. And for that, I'm actually going to switch us over to the assignment sheet. Each student will receive one of these. It's like a half sheet of paper at the beginning of the week. So here is ours for this week. And this column here, all of these boxes are what we do in class together. And if the students complete what we do in class together, then I put a stamp here, and that is worth 5 points. And in this box is the homework. And if students complete this, then I put a stamp here and they get 5 more points. Each day is worth 10 points. If you're looking in Aries and you see your student getting 5 out of 10, most of the time that is because they're doing the classwork and not the homework. So if you see a 5 out of 10, that's mostly the case. Definitely ask your student to see their stamp sheet. That's going to give you a really good indication of if they're doing what they're supposed to be doing in class and at home. If a student does not do the homework, then they can turn it in late for 3 out of the 5 points. And the last day that I will accept late work is the day of that particular chapter's test, which is not this week, as you can tell from this assignment sheet for the week. I think that that's everything that I need to cover for integrated math one. Again, I'm just super happy to be here, be back at school. I really think the kids are too. And thanks so much for watching.